Hello and welcome to our letter of the day ideas video. Today M is for magic, and we're going to be doing some fun magic tricks using things that you have at your house. And this is so simple that you could do these and you could put on a magic show for your family. So I'm going to start by showing you what the letter M looks like. I have it on my card here. There's M. M is for money. Now I want to see if I can do a magic trick with this card. I'm going to try to make this card bend, and I'm going to use my mind to do it. All right, so here we go. Oh, look at that. I made the card bend. Let's see if I can make it unbend. I made the card unbend. That's pretty cool. Let's do it again. Bend. Oh, now let me make it straighten back up. Straighten back up. That seems like magic, doesn't it? But I'm going to give you the secret right now. Look at the back of the card. I have taped a little piece of paper here. And so watch what's happening. I'm just moving my finger down, and that makes the card bend. And then I'm moving my finger back up, and that makes it look like the card is straightening. So that's our first magic trick. You can use any kind of card, a letter card, a playing card, maybe like Uno or Go Fish. So there you go. That is one of our magic tricks for today. Another magic trick was when we decorated our letter M. I took a white crayon and I just made some designs on the letter M, and it looked invisible because you can't see white crayon. Next, I just painted over it with watercolor paints, and those designs came out and we could see them, and it seemed like magic. When we were writing the letter M today, I said that letter M kind of looks like bunny ears, and we used that to help us with our handwriting today. And I can show that to you really quickly. Let me erase my board. So to make the letter M, all I have to do is make a number 1. And then you're gonna slide down and walk back up and fall straight down again. And they do kind of look like bunny ears. I'll draw a face for you. Here's some eyes and a nose and a mouth and some whiskers. So see, that's how we did letter M, the uppercase M. For the lowercase m, I just said, what do bunnies do? And everybody said they hop. And so I said, for little m, we're gonna hop 2 times. Make a little 1, and then hop, hop, hop over 2 times. 1, and then hop, hop. You can practice writing your letter M's today. And don't forget, you can always go get a grown-up to go to my website and get the handwriting house paper, so you can use that for practicing your big M's and then also your little letter M's. They stay downstairs. Okay, so let's see, for math today, we did some fun things with coins. So let me show you a couple of coin tricks, and then we'll talk about the 4 kinds of coins. There are the 4 main kinds of coins there are in America. So I'm just going to use my clipboard, but you could easily just use a table. And I'm going to put a piece of colorful paper on the clipboard. And I have a jar right here. And I have a coin, and I'm going to try to make the coin disappear. So I just have a regular, just a plain clear jar, and it's on this green paper, and there's 1 coin. So let's see if I can make that coin disappear. Abracadabra, make the coin disappear. Where did the coin go? I don't see it in there. It disappeared. Let's see if I can make the coin reappear. Abracadabra, make the coin reappear. And there it is. I'll show you again. Abracadabra, make the coin disappear. And you can see that it's not in the jar. So abracadabra, make the coin reappear. You may have already figured out how that trick works. There's green paper on the bottom of the jar. If you use school glue, you can peel it off later and it won't damage your glass or jar. But because it's the same color of the paper that it's sitting on, it looks like I'm just seeing through the jar down to this part. And you don't realize that there's green right here, but that allows me to cover up the coin. And then I can remove it, and there it is. So that's one coin trick. I have one more because I need more than just one coin today for math. So let me show you one more coin trick. Okay, I think I'm ready now. So I have 2 paper plates here, and I have 2 coins, but I'm going to try to turn these 2 coins into, hold on, I'm going to make them so that I want to make sure you can see there are only 2 coins on the paper plate, and I'm going to try to turn this into 3 coins. So here we go, abracadabra. Ta-da, 3 coins. Let's see if I can make 4 coins. Abracadabra. 4 coins now on the plate. And the way that works is there are secret pockets on the back. And so I have a coin in this one. There's another secret pocket in the back on this one. So I'm loading up the pockets with coins. Now I started with 2 coins. You could start with 1, but I just started with 2, and then I'm going to make that turn into 3. Abracadabra. And the coin falls out, and that makes 3. And let's do it again. Abracadabra. And now there are 4 because it fell out of the pocket. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that we have some coins, let's talk about the names of the 4 main coins in America. So I'm going to use my letter M to show you a closer look at this one. Do you know what the name of this coin is? I'll try to get it to focus. That is a penny. A penny is brown. I'll show you the back. And a penny is worth 1 cent. A penny is worth 1 cent. The next coin in America is called, do you know? I'll show it to you and see if you can tell me the name of it. That's a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. There's the back of the nickel. So a nickel is worth 5. Next is this one. Do you remember the name of this one? That's a dime. Here's the back. And a dime is worth 10 cents. And then the last coin in American money is this one, and it is a quarter. That's George Washington on the front. There's the back. All right, and this is a quarter, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. So that was our math that we did today, just reviewing coin names and values. For art today, we made this magic hat. I'll put it on for you. And I made a different video to show how to make the magic hat and how to pull a rabbit out of the hat. So I needed that video when I did my online classes today because we just watched the video, so I didn't have to make like a lot of hats today. So you can watch that in a separate video, and you can learn how to pull the rabbit out of the magic hat. Let's see, is there anything else? I think I do have another magic trick that we learned today, and I'm going to show you, hold on, I want to show you this toothpick that I have right here, and I'm going to make this toothpick disappear. Abracadabra. The toothpick disappeared. Do you see it? Let me make it reappear. Abracadabra. The toothpick reappeared. Abracadabra. It disappeared. And the way that works is there's a toothpick taped to my thumb. So I can hold it like this, or I can make it disappear, and it hides behind my thumb. So that's a pretty good trick. And I'm going to use this hand with my toothpick to wave goodbye. I hope you have a great day. Those were just some magic tricks that you could use. Have a magic show with your family. And the story I read today to my class was Pete the cat, and the magic sunglasses. So have a great day. I'll see you next time with some more ideas. Goodbye.